Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into our Yes Bank account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Yes Bank account on computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address yesbank.in, and after that hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Yes Bank. Now in order to proceed from over here, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for us. Click on that login button and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to choose your login type. You can see from Yes Online to Yes Service Portal, and we'll be just going to log into the Yes Online. So let's click on the Yes Online. You can log into any one of those, and over here you'll be required to enter your login ID of your account which you had created on Yes Bank at the time of creating your account. And after that, enter your password over here, guys, and then after that click on login to sign in. But guys, if you forgotten your login ID or password, you can see guys there are these options saying forgot login ID, unlock login ID, forgot bank, forgot security answer. You can go through these to retrieve your account. And with that being said guys, after entering your user ID and your password, simply click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Yes Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.